Hey designers, in this video, we're going to make a cool poster using Photoshop. I'll walk you through each step so it's easy to follow along. Let's get started. First, we'll add the main image. Go to File, then select Place Embedded, and pick the image we're using. Once it's placed, we need to remove the background. To do that, go to Select, then click on Subject. This will automatically remove the background. But we'll need to refine it for the hair. Use the lasso tool, hold down Shift, and make a selection around the hair. After that, right-click and choose Layer via Copy. Delete the original image layer and leave the copied ones. Then switch to the Background Eraser tool. Ensure the limit is set to discontiguous, increase the tolerance level, and begin erasing. We want to create empty space behind the hair, hence this approach. To ensure proper removal of the background behind the hair, hide the main image and apply any color temporarily. We'll remove it later. Now, unhide the main image again. Zoom in to check for any remaining white spaces. If any are found, use the background eraser tool to erase them as well, like demonstrated. Now, let's remove the temporary fill color we applied earlier and fill it with white again. Perfect. Next, let's adjust the position of the main image. After that, select the background layer and choose the color you want for the background. I'll provide the color code here. Great. Now, hide the main layer and press Alt plus Backspace to fill the background with the chosen color. Now, navigate to Filter, then Stylize, and select Oil Paint. Adjust the values as follows. Bristol details and scale will be greater. I believe this setup looks good. Alright, let's proceed. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle here. Fill it with yellow color and remove the stroke. Now, make a copy of this rectangle layer by pressing Ctrl-J on your keyboard. Press Ctrl-T to enter transformation mode and slightly reduce its width. Remove the fill from this copied rectangle and give it a black stroke. Adjust the stroke width and make it dashed from the Options panel. Let's fine-tune the stroke width a bit more for better aesthetics. Now, select the Text tool and write the text, Work in Progress, here. Let's give it a black color and choose the Arial font. Let's increase the font size a bit. After that, duplicate this text layer by pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Now, move the duplicated text layer to the right side. Let's adjust the size of both rectangles to make them a bit bigger. Now, select all the text layers, stroke, and fill rectangles, and press Ctrl+T to enter transformation mode. Rotate them on the canvas as desired, and adjust their position accordingly. Now, duplicate this group using Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T again, rotate the duplicated layer, and adjust its position as well. Perfect, like this. Let's create another copy of it by pressing Ctrl+J on the keyboard, and move this third duplicated layer to the bottom. Let's scale it down a bit as well. Yes, okay. Now it looks good. Now, select one of these work in progress elements, right-click, and convert it into a smart object. Then, right-click again and rasterize it. With it still selected, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. I think 5.4 looks good. Okay. Now it has this blurry effect on it. Let's unhide the main layer now. Put the main layer below this work in progress badge. The last step is to take the text tool and write your text here. Choose a font for the text. I think this font looks good. Now, scale this text up a bit. Yes, that looks better. Next, I'm going to select the Design Services text, and highlight it with an orange shade. I'll provide the color code here. Great, now let's apply the same orange color to the brand text. Now, go to the blending options of this text layer and add a drop shadow. Okay, perfect. Now, let's adjust the position of the main image. Next, go to the custom shapes and select the message icon shape. Draw it here and adjust the stroke width. After that, rotate the message icon slightly. Let's duplicate it and move it to the left side. Like this. Go to File. Then place Embedded, and select the image containing all the icons. Now, we'll use the Direct Selection tool to select each app logo individually. I'll start with the YouTube icon, right-click, and choose Layer via Copy. Next, select the main image again, then select the Instagram logo, and repeat the process. Similarly, select the Facebook logo and the Pinterest logo, and again, choose Layer via Copy for each. Once done, delete the main JPEG layer. Now, select all four logos, press Ctrl+T to enter transformation mode, and scale them down. After scaling them down, adjust their positions as needed. We're almost there. This is the final step of adjusting their positions after you have scaled and positioned them. Your poster is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment on this video. If you have any questions or if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and like the video as well. For more videos, subscribe to Ace Designs.